If you're a senior citizen or new to the iPhone and you'd love to learn how to make a FaceTime call, then this video is for you. This is part 4 of my iPhone for Seniors video series. Links to the other 3 videos are in the description below. And frankly, one of the more important videos at that. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Rich Bolin, and on this channel we talk about a lot of things, but mainly how to use your iPhone and iPad. And most of these videos are geared towards teaching senior citizens how to navigate their devices in a simple, easy way. If that's you, then please consider subscribing to the channel by tapping the subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful, then please tap the little bell and the thumbs up symbol. It helps the channel grow. And a special thanks to all of you who have subscribed and left kind words in the comments section. It really means a lot. You may not know this, but when using your iPhone, you can make a call and see the person you're calling on the screen. This is a FaceTime call, and it's not hard to do. In fact, it's pretty easy, not to mention fun. If you happen to live far away from family or friends, then a FaceTime call is the next best thing to being there, really. So here are the 5 tips for making FaceTime calls I'm going to cover in this video. How to keep your phone stationary, how to make FaceTime calls from scratch, how to make FaceTime calls using the Contacts app, which really is the easiest way, how to make a group FaceTime call, and how to turn a regular phone call into a FaceTime call. Don't let all of this overwhelm you. Watch this video a few times if you need to, and once you get the hang of this, you're going to love making FaceTime calls. I guarantee it. But remember this, it only works if the person you're calling has an iPhone. Okay, so one of the very first things you need to do is make your phone stationary. You know, you see people talking like this on their phone and they're just moving it all around and the background moves behind and it's really distracting to do that. Of course, you can do that if you need to, but if you don't need to, if you just want to talk to someone and have a smooth FaceTime call, the best thing to do is get a little gadget like this. It's just a little holder. I got it off Amazon. It's made by Anchor. And you just set it down and you just prop your phone into it and you set it at the angle that you need it to be in order to see your face and to make the FaceTime call. But I can tell you, whenever I have FaceTime calls with people and the background is moving around because they're walking and they're talking and eating food or something like that, it is really distracting. So tip number 1 is just make your phone stationary. It'll make your FaceTime calls so much better. So the next thing I want to show you is how to make a FaceTime call from scratch. So in other words, you don't have anybody in your contacts. All you have is just a phone number and you want to call that person using FaceTime. It's really not that hard. The first thing you do is tap the FaceTime icon, and then you tap the little plus, and then you tap in their phone number, and you hit the return. And now you see you have a choice of audio or video, but we're going to make a video call. So we just do that. Hey, Lindsay.
Hi, Dad.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I was just doing this first part of the video here on how to make a FaceTime call from scratch. So we'll try something else in just a minute, but thanks for taking the call. All right, see ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And then you just tap on the screen and hit the X to turn it off, and that's all there is to it. Okay, really the easiest way to make a FaceTime call is to use your contacts. I made a video on how to set up your contacts on your iPhone, and I'll include that in the description below. But if you do have your contacts set up and added to your iPhone, it's a quick way to make a FaceTime call. So all you do is tap on the contacts icon, type in who you want to call and find the person. We'll call my daughter again, and then you just hit the FaceTime icon again. Hey, Lindsay.
Hi, Dad.
I was just showing everybody how to make a FaceTime call using contacts. So they've got it, I think. All right, thanks again.
You're welcome.
Okay, see ya. Bye-bye. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to make a group FaceTime call. It's kind of fun to talk to more than one friend at a time or one family member at a time, and it's not really hard to do. First thing you do is tap on the FaceTime button, then you hit the plus button, and you can Type in the phone number here if you want, but I'm just going to use my contacts because that's easier. So I'm going to type in my daughter's name, and I'll pull her up there, and then I'm going to type in my wife's name. Going to pull her there, and then we're going to tap on video to make the call.
Hello.
Hey, hey, we've got everybody.
Hey, I'm good.
Well, hey Lindsay, hey Mom.
Hey, Dad.
All right, I just wanted to show everybody how to make a group FaceTime call. Thanks for helping me out.
Okay.
Okay, see ya, bye. And that's how you make a very simple, straightforward group FaceTime call. Now I want to show you how to turn a regular phone call into a FaceTime call. So let's say you're going to call your daughter, and you just call her on the phone. We'll put that on speaker.
Hello.
Hey Lindsay.
Hey.
Hey, I'm going to turn this into a FaceTime call, so I'm just going to hit the FaceTime button. And now you should be able to, yeah, there. So you just hit your FaceTime button, right?
Yes.
And that is how you make a FaceTime call when you're just making a regular phone call. Thanks again. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to make FaceTime calls. Sometimes it's hard to believe this Dick Tracy technology exists, but it does. And the best thing about it is you can connect with family and friends in a way that just wasn't possible a few years ago. Well, I hope you found these tips helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.